Bonjour and welcome to Maple Leaf Trails. Today, we're traveling to France where we will embark on an exhilarating journey exploring the city that is rich in history with iconic landmarks. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking romance, Paris has something for everyone. The information in this video is based on research and our own experiences. Pack your bags and grab your berets and join us as we count down the top 5 must-visit destinations in Paris to make your adventure unforgettable. Number 5. Champs-Elysees. For those unfamiliar, you might be wondering what is the significance of a road. But here's the thing, the Champs-Elysees is not just a shopping street. It connects the Place de la Concorde in the east with the Place Charles de Gaulle at the west end where the Arc de Triomphe is located. It's also a beautiful promenade lined with trees, gardens, and fountains. It is widely regarded as the most beautiful avenue in the world and also one of the world's most famous commercial avenues. Day or night, there is always something happening on this prestigious street. Fun fact, before becoming the most beautiful avenue in the world, the Champs-Elysees was actually a swamp. Today, however, the avenue is renowned for its luxurious boutiques, designer stores, and flagship fashion houses. Tourists can indulge in a world-class shopping experience, browsing high-end brands and exclusive collections along this prestigious street. Alongside upscale shopping, the Champs-Elysees boasts an array of charming cafes, elegant restaurants, and trendy bars. Travelers can take a break from shopping to enjoy a delicious meal, sip on a café au lait, or people watch while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. Now that we're full, let's move on to number 4, Notre Dame Cathedral. An architectural masterpiece with over 850 years of history, the Notre Dame stands as a symbol of Parisian heritage and Gothic architecture, showcasing the craftsmanship and ingenuity of medieval builders. Visitors are awestruck by the cathedral's stunning architecture, including its intricate facade, towering spires, and majestic rose windows. Exploring its interior reveals exquisite details like the grand nave, ornate sculptures, and beautiful stained glass. It has been featured in countless works of literature, art, and film, such as The Hunchback of Notre Dame, making it an essential part of the city's cultural identity. For breathtaking panoramic views of Paris, visitors can climb to the top of the tower, where they will find a unique perspective of the city's skyline and famous landmarks, including the Seine River and the Eiffel Tower. In summary, Notre Dame Cathedral offers tourists a multifaceted experience, combining historical significance, architectural beauty, spiritual tranquility, and panoramic views of Paris. It remains an essential destination for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in the rich cultural tapestry of the City of Lights. Number 3. Arc de Triomphe. Commissioned by Napoleon Bonaparte in 1806 to commemorate his military victories, the Arc de Triomphe stands as a testament to France's rich history and its struggle for independence and freedom. Designed by Jean Chalgrin in the neoclassical style, the Arc de Triomphe boasts impressive architectural features including intricate reliefs, ornate sculptures, and detailed inscriptions. These showcase the skills and craftsmanship of the era. Visitors can climb to the top of the Arc de Triomphe for breathtaking panoramic views of Paris, including the famous Champs-Elysees, Eiffel Tower, and other iconic landmarks. It offers a unique vantage point to appreciate the beauty and layout of the city. Beneath the Arc de Triomphe lies the tomb of the unknown soldier, commemorating the soldiers who lost their lives in World War I. Overall, a visit to the Arc de Triomphe offers a captivating blend of history, architecture, and panoramic views, making it an essential stop for tourists seeking to immerse themselves in the beauty and grandeur of Paris. Number 2. The Louvre Museum. The Louvre is home to one of the most extensive and prestigious art collections in the world. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to Renaissance masterpieces and iconic works such as Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa. Visitors can immerse themselves in centuries of artistic history and cultural heritage. A fun fact about the Louvre Museum is that the Mona Lisa actually hangs in a gallery behind bulletproof glass, where it has been a part of the museum's collection since 1804. Here's the thing though, the Louvre is not only significant because of its remarkable art collection. The building is actually a masterpiece of architecture. Originally a medieval fortress and later transformed into a royal palace, the museum's stunning blend of architectural styles, including the iconic glass pyramid entrance, is a sight to behold. And for those willing to learn more, the Louvre offers guided tours and interactive visits suitable for visitors of all ages and interests. And this is why the Louvre Museum is one of our top pick destinations for Paris. Number 1. The Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower needs no introduction. It is universally recognized as a symbol of love all across the world and a must-visit destination when in France. With over 7 million visitors per year, the Eiffel Tower is easily one of the world's most popular attractions for visitors. Built in 1889 and erected at 312 meters high, the Eiffel Tower was the highest tower when it was launched, a title it held for the next 4 decades. It has a total of 3 floors where visitors can ascend to the top level or dine in one of the tower's restaurants, or simply admire its beauty from the Champs de Mars part below. The Champs de Mars is a place to meet up and celebrate, regularly attracting thousands of people to share in events together, and the present day is no different. In 2024, Paris will be the home of the Olympic and Paralympic Games. In preparation of this, the Eiffel Tower will be revamped with a golden paint hue to coincide with the 2024 Paris Olympics. The repainting job will be one of the tower's most extensive revamps in 130 years. This is even more significant as the Eiffel Tower has to be repainted every 7 years as per the instructions of Gustave Eiffel, who designed it. Fun fact, the Eiffel Tower is one of the most replicated monuments in the entire world, with over 10 replicas scattered across the globe. Apart from visiting iconic destinations, what's even more spectacular is viewing them. And the best place to do it is from a distance. In this video, we highlight the very best views in Paris, both free and for a fee.